guys. Let's get back to the stream. I gotta redo the disclaimer. Live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades. We are just trading to have fun. There was a latency with YouTube, and I scalp very quickly, so many of my trades could be potentially closed before you even see that they're open on YouTube. So do not copy our trades. Trade on demo. And we are not licensed professionals. We're not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Do not copy our trades. I've said that many times. Please trade on demo and consult a licensed professional. Also, please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41, which discusses hypothetical or simulated performance results. They have certain limitations. Unlike actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since the trades have not been executed, the results may have been under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Do not copy our trades. Trade on demo. We are trading for fun only. Let's take a look at the charts. 9:28, not a lot of time. I was mentioning the big news. Apex is having a 90% off sale. Let's see what happened in the 90% off. But the really big news about that is the 300K, the 150K, and I think the 200 or 250K accounts are the same price as the 50K accounts, approximately. Don't hold my feet to the fire on that one. But I think they're all around $16. They renew at $33, and the lifetime activation is $85. So it's a hell of a good deal, and it lasts until Thursday midnight, January 2nd, 2025, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see if we have any levels that price might be drawn to. Well, there are always levels that price might be drawn to, and that would be right now where we are. The two significant levels, or the three, would be the previous day's close at 390. That's the white dashed line. The London session lows. London session is marked off by the blue box here. And hold on a minute. Did I close that? Oh, I am behind schedule. Booyah. I will not make it in time, I don't think. I have 20 seconds to open up my trading screen, MFFU, 2-lot. Oh, I make it. So yeah, the Apex deal is a really good deal. Okay, markets are open. And I have a short signal already. That is done. You see, that was a case of you would have no idea I took that trade. Okay, 43 down. First trade of the day. But that's okay. My strategies are all opened. Let's take a quick look at what Golden Eyes is doing. And I will be looking to enter another short. I'm an active scalper, especially around the open. On average, I take about 17 trades a day, if you can believe it. this system has been back tested, forward tested, and it has a profit factor of about 2.98 at the moment. Okay, we're going to try for 40 points on this trade. What's my entry? 41, 41? 41 minus 14? 27, and I'm 27, what? Oh, 41, 14, 55, and I'm at 56.50, that's good. And I need to be out so much for 40 points. Okay, recovered a little bit. That one didn't go for me. Yeah, as I was saying, the system is forward tested. Trades about 17 times a day. Has a profit factor of 3, but it is an active scalping system, and it's a little tough to trade because you can go on these losing streaks that are quite painful. Really, I'm going to miss this one. Okay, not a good start to the day. And I'm not too encouraged because I didn't get to analyze the markets too well. I would like to see the 15-minute chart. Oh my god, I am on the 15-minute chart. I mean, I would like to take a close look at the 15-minute chart. Are we going to trade towards the London session highs? Is price going to be drawn towards there? That is what I'm thinking. I only have a 4 lot on this one. I want it a little bit bigger. $83, $76. Really? How do I have a worse entry? Am I completely off balance on this trade? Come on, push higher. Let's go for the London highs. I got VWAP sitting below me over there. That could give some support. Okay, I'm playing the fact that VWAP will support price. And I really don't want to see new session lows, US session lows. I see the market recover. Because yesterday there was a pretty decent sell-off. And the markets are punishing me again. With a big one-way move. Well, at least my coffee's warm. Where are the London session lows? Oh, very far away. The previous day's close. So, again, VWAP didn't hold for me. Only holds to stop me from making money. Never holds to stop me from losing. Okay, that's it. Daily stop loss reached on MFFU. So we will trade on Sim and we will watch the gold. That's my day. Trading stupid. Not following the rules. Again. So let's open up Apex. Apex had a sale, as I mentioned, 90% off. Pretty incredible. Really good prices. Hello, James G. I had you open on Skype there for a while. Is it still open? Yeah, it is. Oh, you didn't go on Skype. Yeah, I sent you a message in Skype. Good morning. Everybody's in the house. Good morning. Good morning and good morning. What would I do without friends and family? Okay, I'm a little bit distracted. Watching for the gold trade. Actually, I will take the gold trade. Let me open up my Rhythmic account. 24, it's not too far away. Let's get those open. Looking for Bitcoin short. Yeah, I'm going to be taking gold long as soon as my account's open. So slow for the Rhythmic accounts to open. Which PA will I use? I will use this one for a 3 lot. Let's see if I get filled. I'm going to buy limit 28.9. Oh, that was a quick fill. Well, for one. What do we have there? That's 30.02. Let me just check the levels over here. Bitcoin 96,225. Wow. There's a lot of room to run to the upside. Hold on, I gotta set something up over here on a strategy. Strategies. Just make sure the size is right. Click OK. And that should work well. Okay. Overslept. Good morning. Yeah. I was kind of on time today, but I had a little mishap with my screen, so I had to redo my broadcast. Well, right now I'm working a gold in my PA account, small size, 3 lot. I got a target filled, which means counter-strike. Counter-strike trades on what? Sim 101. Counter-strike's up 25 points already. See what gold brings me. Ooh, 6 watching. Gold's soon going to give me a limit order. The algo to enter a second trade at the high of the candle. Okay, let's focus on gold. See, my stop on gold is quite far away actually at the moment. I'm hoping it'll come up, tighten up a little bit. I don't know if you guys were here before. Apex is having a 90% off sale. The big accounts are pretty damn cheap. The 300K, the 150K, they're $16, I think. Why am I short here? Oh, Sim 101, it's the counter-strike is short. I'll trade it also for a 2 lot. I have a brief moment, I think. I do. I can take a quick look at the 15-minute chart again. I didn't get a good opportunity. Well, right now it looks like the Asian and the London session lows are drawing price lower. And we have our limit order in gold. And yet my algo didn't place the order on this computer. Goes figure. Anyways, I'll trade it manually. What do I see? What do I see? Well, we did 3 legs down. I don't know. I could see potential for a bit of a recovery today before the New Year's holiday. But that's just a hypothesis. My job is to trade the signals. Yeah, it looks like a good place to go long. We just bounced off the previous day's close, which I think that is what it is, not the previous day's open. I mean, today's open, current day's open. But we're coming up into VWAP. All I can tell you is thank God for the mute button. How's Bitcoin doing? Oh, wow, look at that. James, your Bitcoin is going. Today I was reminded, I said it before, if you like drinking cold water, ice cold water, that's what winter is good for. The water out of the tap is so cold, it hurts your teeth. I think it hurts more than your teeth. I think it hurts everything. Oof, about $75 on a gold trade. What chip? I think I'll join you on the long now that we're above VWAP. Just for a 2-lot. And I'm watching gold for an ad. And I'm freezing. Caught 40 points. Nice job. Yeah, you got in under the VWAP. I see those 40 points. So far I caught 2. So far I caught -6. And my stop is at around 34. Yeah, that was a nice trade. I like that. I like that trade. I just didn't want to get in when you got in because the system that I follow was bearish at that moment still. And to be honest with you, this isn't the best of entries that I have. I think I'd like to get out of it and just wait for a cleaner setup. Because we still could make a run for the US session highs and the London highs. Oof. Oof. Good thing I covered. I started watching the October 28th ICT video. I got as far as 30 minutes. I liked what he had to say about trading on weeks when non-farm payroll. I think you were even talking about that yesterday. On the weeks when there's no news and on the weeks when there's non-farm payrolls. 2-point winner to get me out of trouble. Serious? Gold trade is sort of struggling today still, but there is potential for a recovery. How far away am I? I'm only $3 away. $3 out of the money. $3 in pain. Okay, catching a little bit of a move down. Let's see if we can get another 7 points. From 06, that's good for me over there. And I will take one more off at what number? Well, assuming it doesn't. My mental trailing stop doesn't take me out. If that doesn't take me out at around 413 on NQ. My next TP will be at 390, 392. I'll even put it in. I'll put it in over. I'll let it go. Maybe I'll just buy the ask. 393, 392. Good enough. And we'll let the last piece go. We'll see if we can catch 40 points on this SP short. Good. I'm short on NQ. So it's good to see we're thinking the same direction. Target filled. I can tell you that Counter-Strike just took another winning trade. You know, I'm going to cover this last piece over here because we are bouncing off the previous day's close. And often I see it give a nice bounce off that, so I'll take it. And seems to be a smart thing to have done because my system actually got out also. Yes, let's see if there's an SMT with the 5-minute charts. 5-minute NQ and 5-minute ES. ES is quite a bit stronger. Well, let me make the charts about the same size. And we can compare easier. Okay, gold went long another 3 lot. Let's see if I'll be able to get in. If not, then it is what it is. Yes, I definitely think we can call that an SMT. Oh, there, I got filled. Okay, let's get back to my trend trading system. All over the place. What's all over the place? I know you were looking at Bitcoin. Let me take a look at your Bitcoin for you. I came back off a little bit. And I should be short another 2 in Qs, but Not crazy about this trade. I think I will let this one pass because of the bounce off the previous day's close. Cool, that was a loser. I missed it. Guys, give me just a second.
She made Christmas great again. It was all wrapped in gold and red. What could it be? I scratched my head and I saw the coffee cup. This morning I filled it up. It's a cup. That's more than a cup, it's great. Memories all wrapped up. If it chips or cracks or loses its shine, I'll never dump it, this cup is mine. She made Christmas great again. It was all wrapped in gold and red. What could it be? I scratched my head, then I saw the coffee cup. This morning I filled it up. It's a cup that's more than a cup. It's great memories all wrapped up. If it chips or cracks or loses its shine, I'll never dump it, this cup is mine. She made Christmas great again.
As a reminder, know that alert doesn't mean there's news at 10 o'clock. It is just an alert for me to point out that there might be news at 10 o'clock. And to be aware that we are 1 minute away. Well, right now we're 10 seconds away. Okay. 10 a.m. And we're right at VWAP again. We're going to rotate between VWAP and yesterday's close. Is that the kind of day it's going to be? Okay, my next trade, looking to take along in an NQ. Not crazy about it because we're hovering around and sticking to VWAP. I'd like to see us break through either VWAP to the upside or the previous day's close to the downside. Right now we're rejecting off VWAP. Target filled. That would be Counter-Strike. That's weird. Oh, yeah, target Counter-Strike. That was Counter-Strike doing today. Yeah, break even. Okay, I'm long in Q. Not looking for much on this trade though. A 2 lot, I can get $20, $30, so that would be good. Unbelievable. I had 20. I don't know if you saw that. I clicked the sell ask, the thing dumped, and I got a price. Instead of getting 20, I think I took a loss on that trade. A small loss. But look at gold. Go gold. Gold is going. Let's go. Push, make another push. That was a nice little rally there. Sentiment may have changed in gold. I'm working double the size. Now I'm working the proper size for the second entry on gold. Holding for highs. Yeah, I see that. I see that, but we fell below VWAP again. Come on, gold, get one more push in this minute. On this bar, get one more push. I have a little flag there, a pennant on the gold 30-second chart. There's a fair value gap. Okay, well, gold won't do it on this bar maybe, but we wait. In the meantime, I try to get short NQ. What? Lord, how that happens. Oh, terrible trading, terrible execution, actually. open was 410.25. Yeah, my white dashed line is not the open, it's the previous day's close. Just to clarify, I mean, I don't know if you were thinking that it was the short SPY again. Where is SPY? Let me get that open also. I can compare the two. Duplicate in new window. I can have those on the bottom. You guys don't see them, but I do. And I can compare the two charts. Let's do that. Yeah, the short SPY looks like a better trade than the short NQ, although the NQ is dumping. Gold recovered a bit, and I don't want to watch it, so I got out of gold. I want to focus on target filled. I just heard again for Counter-Strike. I'm making a nice dump in good profit. Closed Bitcoin. Excellent. Would you short ES at, James? Give me a moment. I'm dealing with something. Cancel all orders. Okay, let's close this computer so it doesn't distract me. Wow, that's a dump. Partial on SP. Yeah, that was a nice dump. Got a nice move there. Good trade. Counter-Strike is up 10 points. And on NQ, look at that. We took out what looks like the entire day's low. Asian session, London session, US session, all the sessions got swept. We were wrong. Price didn't draw to the upside. Really? I was at 58.50. Okay, let's see if I can get 40 points on this. Gold long. Yeah, I got out of my gold though. And I'm going to put up the MNQ chart only. This one? Nah, let's go with this one. And I'm hoping to get 40 points on this one, but looks like I might have to get out of my last piece, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Anything can happen. Markets can continue dumping. Right now, NQ's taking a pause off the lows, but we could still see further lows. Nope, that's it for me. Okay, up 83 on the PA account. I am not using my trade copier. I will get back into that. Hey guys, did you hear that I'm pretty sure I mentioned it. Apex, 90% off. 80% activation fees. Use the company's, I don't have an affiliate code, use the company's code. I think it's Save 90 or Save Now. And they lowered the price. They do something funny with the price on the 300, 250, and the 150K accounts. I don't exactly know how they do it, but anyways, those are all $16. I got myself a 300K and a 150K account yesterday. It expires on Thursday at midnight, the sale. And I think I'll get a couple more on Thursday morning, let the New Year's holiday pass. Partial in gold, yeah, nice move in gold. $970, $170. Nice trade in gold. My gold trade, while it worked out, I didn't really get to cash in on it too much because my first entry was poor. My second entry brought my price down, and I really didn't want to be holding 6 and see it reverse. So still didn't catch a 40-point winner. Although there was one, I missed it. Okay, we're back at the previous day's close level. These levels just keep drawing price. Anything on Skype? Skype? No. Flat. Are you talking about your positions or your girlfriend? I have a short trade coming up, potentially. By the time I set it up, I'll miss it, potentially. Hey, you got some nice trades today, James. Good man. Everything is flat. You know what they say about flat girls. Okay, short. Let's see what this gives me. Come on, don't take me out right away. I don't want to take the L. Tabernooch. Okay, we're back in red. It didn't go. Gotta take my loss. It is what it is. Keep swinging the bat. I will hit one. most likely. Questions I should know the answers to, but I didn't look into it. Market's closed today at noon or 1 o'clock, or is it a full day? Wood chips long. Right under yesterday's close. Yeah, maybe we catch a run back up to view up. Good question. Yeah. See, these are things I'm supposed to check. Yeah, I would think it's a half day. Anyways, it's going to be a halfish day for me. I think 11 o'clock will be it for me. Seriously. Let's go. Whoosh. I spilled coffee. 2 micros long. Target 459. 450. 60 points. Wow. Yeah, I spilled coffee. I told you guys about that a couple of weeks ago. My mouse broke. I got this new mouse, and it's woof, woof. It's got a horrifically sensitive button. It's very easy to click the button 2, 3 times at the same time, and I'm in on the wrong size. It's happened already a couple of times today. Let's see what I can catch on 459. My execution is bad again. I should have been long at 391. At 430, which is view up, I could have had my 40 pointer for the day. But my execution was poor. Let's add one at this level here. Let's see. What's the price? I can't even see. 12. Okay, either my system will take me out, which is very close to doing. I'll hit the close button. Or on that ad, I'll get out at 20, 21, 22, which will be 10 points. Let's hope the buying comes back in. In the meantime, I warm up my hands with my coffee. Getting closer to it's bouncing. Looks like I don't know. I don't know what it looks like, but I'll get out on that piece. Okay, there's my second piece based on first in, first out. It's at 11.25. That's the piece that I added. Another 10 points, and I'm good. I'm back up to my plus 82. And Counter-Strike is long. You know what? I'm finished with gold. Let me watch Counter-Strike. First off, this is the wrong chart. 0325. And Counter-Strike. Okay, I'll take one lot on this Counter-Strike potential entry. We have a green background. a 2 or more bar retrace. If I get the continuation bar to the upside, we'll hit the buy bid button. There we go. And I go for usually 10 or 12 points. So 14, that would be 24 to the 26 area. And that is 12 points in how many seconds? See, that's a case of I don't think you guys even see me in the trade before I'm out of the trade. That was fun. Got scared, took 25 points on too. Yeah, well, we are at VWAP, so it seems to be a day when price is just getting rejected at these levels. This is the Bitcoin chart, 1 minute. Two micros. Okay, well, you got 10 points on that so far. 10-point buffer now to work with. The 5-minute chart can push a little higher. Stops at 06. I will probably have quite bullish signals everywhere. Wow, the ES just bounced quite hard to the upside after kissing yesterday's close. Yeah, you know what? I'll keep that chart. Let me redo it. Duplicate a new tab. Change the color. I think I want to keep the ES here. Yes. Bear with me. And we move it right here. Okay. Yeah, so I was saying about ES here. Look how we just came and touched the previous day's close. Strong, aggressive buying off that. Okay. You take a partial on your 26, 56. That was 30 points. You catching some nice winners today, would you? You're doing better than me. I'm not holding for my 40-point winners. And another one just would have been there for me on this trade here, but I got out early. I'll get in for one. See if we can run for the U.S. session highs. Sold both. I think you sold them to me. Well, not both. No! Stupid trade. I made a stupid trade. Okay, market gives me an opportunity to get out of a stupid trade. I'm getting out of the stupid trade. Oh, and it's okay. Shut up, Mike. What? What time is it? 10:28? We just fell 80 points in like... Okay. Woo! It's a good thing I got out of my long stupid trade. Okay, well, I don't want that to happen to me, so... I'm putting in a stop at 412.25, just in case, on this one. Where are we now? We're under view up. Let's a little farther away. An emergency stop. I will watch my system. Yeah, I don't have the 200 MA up. I'll put it up just for a quick look. Okay. The trade is over. Gets me out. 200 SMA. That was nuts. Yeah, that was kind of weird. 281 on my PA. Very good. Very good. I don't know. I think I'm going to wait till... I think I'm going to wait till what? Till we pull away from this view up previous day's close box. We're just shooting 20, 25 points above it, 20, 25 points below it, and pulling back to both of them. On the 5 minute, it's a pretty sideways day, especially on ES. Take a look at ES on the 5 minute. That's a pretty choppy, whipsaw type of day. Okay, NQ. You'll get me to bite for one more long. 27, I'm long at 24. 3 points better on the entry. $27 at 34. 34, I might add one to this trade. If it doesn't take me out again. Wow, missing the big runners and catching all the ones that stop out. Hasn't stopped out yet though. 24. I'm showing the behavior of price that wants to go higher. For the short term. I'm a short term scalper. Over the next 2 minutes, Yep, I use, well, yes, primarily NinjaTrader. I do have Top Step X and Tradeovate opened on other screens that you don't see. Okay, let's add to the trade. There we go. Come on, take me out on that little piece there for 10 points. I'll let the rest run. I'll sit on my hands. Very good. Nope, it's not giving me runners. I don't even know what that did to me, but what do we have on the screen? I don't even know. I'm not even watching. Oh, there it is. Okay, you guys don't see both screens. Maybe I'll put the both up. I will put the both up so we can watch Counter-Strike as well at the same time. Another fast dump. Wow, look at that. There are some aggressive moves down. James is short SPY. Yes. Did he write what level? No, didn't write what level. Oh, timestamps. Let's get the timestamps. Timestamps on 10:33. Well, this is a 5-minute chart, so I would say he's short around 564, which means he already has about a 4 or 5 point profit. For me, a 4 or 5 point profit in ES is good. Well, small scalp, good. Small scalps, that adds up. Okay, I will use my better judgment, and I will only take a one lot if my system gives me a short, because I will be shorting right into the previous day's close, which means I will most likely lose on that trade. Wonderful. A shitty double click. See, that's the thing I was telling you about. I only want to be short one. And of course, it's going to stop me out. Anyways, it is what it is. Yep, stop me out. Oh, yeah, I don't get the accounts anymore with Rhythmic. I only buy the Tradeovate accounts. I'm pulling away from Rhythmic. Since these accounts here that I'm trading now are Rhythmic accounts, the PAs. But since I've switched to Tradeovate, it's been much more stable. There have been occasional errors. I had one PA account closed by, I think it was Apex, a Tradeovate account. It was a Tradeovate account, and the account I just opened in the morning. You're telling me the account was closed. I hit my loss limit. I said I didn't even trade it, and sent them a support ticket. And they wrote back and said, yeah, it was a problem with Tradevate with the data. So they reinstated the account. Never traded with our trader. Our trader is rhythmic, James. It's we use Ninja. Gold to the moon, really? I don't know. Oh yeah, gold is going. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, our trader is rhythmic. So most people use Ninja Trader, but they connect to our trader for the data, to rhythmic for the data. And then there's Sierra charts. Oof, that's a hard one to work with. I like Tradevate, but I hate Tradevate. I like using it, but I don't know. It's like an unlucky platform for me. I'm off on it. It's like there's some kind of delay that's in processing your orders that you submit, and I'm off balance when I use Tradevate. It's very hard for me to make money in Tradevate. Yeah, I like Ninja too. And well, Top Step X. Top Step X is the gold standard. There's another firm using it. It's not Top Step X, I don't think. I think it's TradingView that's white labeling it. I heard another prop firm is using it now also. Well, look at that on the 1 minute chart on NQ, top right. What did we do? Once again. Oh, let me change my cursor. Just bounced off this white dash line, which is the previous day's close. Moved right back up to VWAP, just like we did over here. Here we hit VWAP, came back down, broke it by a bit, came back up, went to VWAP, broke it up a little bit, came back down. I think I should take what I have and walk away. But maybe I'll trade till 11. Contact support, I heard they're pretty good in helping people resolve their problems with Ninja. Wow, nice run on gold. Nice run on gold. I could have hit full target. I would have been happy. I traded scared. You know what? It's not so much that I traded scared. I don't trust the markets today because it's, well, it's New Year's Eve day. I'm curious to see what the volume is in MNQ. Yesterday I checked it in the morning. It was 700,000. And today, $644,000. Yesterday, I think I checked it before the market opened, and it was already at 700,000. So yeah, it's a quieter day today. At 6:44, at 10:45. That's odd that it can't connect to rhythmic. I don't know. Instinctively, I would say maybe you're just clicking some wrong buttons or checking off some wrong settings. The first question I would ask you, Woodchip, is do you have this? If you click on connections, do you have on the bottom right the word configure? Because if you don't even have that, that means you need to go into tools, options, and let me just find it. There it is. In tools options, in the general tab, you need multi-provider ticked off. That's like the first step in getting Ninja to work with Tradevate and Rhythmic or RTrader. So confirm that you have that ticked off. And after that, you go into connections and you should be able to, you click configure on the bottom right and you should be able to do it. I'm cold. That's funny. Because it's not that cold outside today for a winter day. I think it's +8 over here while we work on Celsius. Trying to break lower through the previous day's close. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ah, look at that. I got rewarded for getting in early. Once in a blue moon it happens. 78, 83, only 5 points better. Nothing to write home about, and the trade's going to stop me out. Won't even be able to benefit from the we're stopping here at this level quite a bit. Put a little blue line here. Let's break through this blue line. Yeah, I was just going to cover a piece because I just don't like the way it looks. Yeah, I don't have the Dow chart anymore. I removed it. Nice. 25, 24. Do I want to take 20 points on the one? It's a 10-pointer. I will. I'm not liking. I don't have the Dow anymore up on my charts. I removed that. I removed Crude. Actually, I'll probably remove Bitcoin too because I don't see a way that I can trade it. We're up on the 50 moving average again on the daily. My blue line is defending price. Let me see, can I change the symbol of one of my charts? That was MYM. Let's put it up. I can always bring it back. MYM and Jimmy, short Dow, 42,964. We'll watch that till I have a signal. Usually a 2-point spread. Well, it says MES 5-minute chart, but it's not. It's the Dow 30-second chart that's up on the right. I just don't feel like changing the label because I'm just really tracking Jimmy's trades. But I got an entry just under the previous day's close, just over that blue line that's holding. So I'll take a small piece off just to chip away some profits, and let's see if we can tumble. Let the Dow go down. Let NQ go down. 38, 39. Oh, tempting to go for my 40 points. If I had another one, if I had two, I would cover one and go for the 40. But 71, 63. Serious. Yeah, it is what it is. Not getting out. I want to get a price in the 60s, or I'll get stopped out. My stop is at 85. 385. If I see that flash on my Top Step X screen, I will hit the buy bid and get out. Yeah, it is so close. There we go. Out. Out. You're out, what they say in baseball. Anybody doing anything exciting for New Year's tonight? James, what are you doing this evening? What chip? Anything fun? I'm staying in. I'm gonna go out for a supper with my wife. Chinese food, but that's it. Come back early. Yeah, we're really not going anywhere. It is choppy. It's just bouncing between the well, for NQ. I don't know what market you were talking about, but for NQ, bouncing between the VWAP pretty much and previous day's close. And looks like we're making another run for VWAP. I don't know why VWAP isn't on this chart. It should be. That was good, Mike. First 2-bar or more retrace. Yep. Making chocolate chip cookies with my 3-year-old daughter. Well, that's fun. Hmm. That's it. If you've been trading since 6 a.m., shut it down. Doing crap, anyways. I'm hoping for a run out of view up on the NQ. But we're not really pushing with any enthusiasm. You tell her daddy's much older than you and doesn't have the energy for the party to start now. Bitcoin short. I got rid of my Bitcoin chart. I can't even watch it anymore. I'm gonna have to do without Bitcoin chart. There were some nice moves for the way I trade, for the system that I trade in the London session. Just every move was smooth and had follow through. 10, 20, 30 points. It's this US session that really sucks. Wow. Get me out. There we go. green 2-bar retrace and a bullish continuation bar on counter-strike, but wow, counter-strike's having a good day. This trade, it's losing, but it's up 35 points already. Counter-strike seems to do well every day if I let it run during market hours. I might even just apply it to one of my new Apex evals starting after New Year's. It'll get me to watch it more closely. I think we'll do it at 5 lots. See if I can pick off 5 lots, $10. I don't know, $300 to $500 a day. Maybe I'll do 3 lots on a 25K account. We will see, but I'm definitely going to apply it because it really does seem to do good during regular market hours. Every time I look, it's, nearing the end of the day, 10:30, 11. It's always up 35, 40 points. Nasty 15-minute candles. Yeah, really nothing special there. What I do want to do, though, is yes. I'm looking over a gold trade that I heard about yesterday. Curious, maybe I'm going to code it. 26, 29 would have been a 3-point stop. Let's check the day before. Target filled. Another target filled for counter-strike. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's not for me. The theory was after 3 a.m. or starting at 3 a.m., look for the first fair value gap on the 5-minute chart and wait for it to be inverted. And you take the trade in that direction. Not sure I want to do coding for fair value gaps. 107. Oh, my blue line is gone. How are we doing over here in the 1 minute? Where are we on the blue line? That doesn't extend to the left on its own. Well, if your theory is that we're trading in a range, it would be a pretty good buy trade here on NQ. If that's your theory. Short. And wow, 5 minutes been short the whole U.S. session. Been short biased. That's what I mean. Let me take a look at the 15-minute chart and see what's happening. If there's anything significant, let me widen it up. Well, we got the 254 level. Area 254, 280. It's a 20-point range over here. That could be an area of significance to see if we could trade through. But we are coming to the end of the day. 11:04 already. Okay, I'll bite for one short and regret it. And blame it on FOMO. Gave back my profits. Yeah, that sucks. Yeah, I'm trading small because I don't want to do that. I don't have a lot, but I worked hard for them today. At least I feel like I did. It's not like I'm shoveling rocks or anything. I'm just clicking a mouse button, but do we get another dump, or did I call the bottom with my short trade? Right at the lows. Oh, I should know not to take those. I should know better. I mean, I do know better. There we go. Have to get out. Okay. Yeah, that's what I was looking at on the 15-minute chart, I think. The 250 area. Kind of coincides with what? Nah, it's a stretch. But yeah, I was looking at that level. Monday's low. Yeah, really, you take me out and then you trigger again. 32, well, not 32, 22. Oh, nah. Didn't trigger again. I chased at the low without a signal, without a trade setup. Oh, look at that, 7. I get 10 points. I'll take 10 points. Don't run away from my bid. Come back. I guess I won't take 10 points. I guess I'll lose 10 points. Mange la merde, I lost money there again. There goes my SP move. Missed it. Close my balance on beacon. Not going to get greedy. Well, I'm not going to get greedy, but I'm getting angry. Because things aren't working out for me. I'm in a rut. Okay, so what did I do? I just took a trade on Counter-Strike. The background turned red. First 2-bar or more retrace, so this is the retrace. And I went short on the first continuation bearish bar over here. I'm looking at the chart on the left side. And I took a small piece off, and now we'll see what we get. I'll stop out if we get a close above the price channel. It's a terrible place to be trading right at the US session lows at the initial balance. Oh, I'll add. Even though it looks like a terrible decision. And there's the close and there's the out. Shouldn't have added. Long 2 micros. Yeah, it's a good place to go long. Did the 5-minute close outside? Yeah, 5-minute closed outside the initial balance, but we traded right back in. Let me just check something on yesterday. Okay. Let this one go for another 10 points. 24, around 14. If we can go to 14, I'll cover. Buy limit 1850. It's too close. 14. There we are. My stop is at 43 approximately. Manual stop, 13 points. 13 points for 16 points. And, okay. I am off right now. Okay, did it go a little bit more? let's add to the position and regret it. I'm close to getting stopped out on the top step X chart, so it's kind of a low risk, high reward trade to add right here. Because if it dumps, no, that's it for me. Out. 24. Give back almost everything. Okay, there'll be days like that, right? Yesterday was a really good day. I tell you, we're just really sticking to these levels. Now we're sticking to the initial balance low. And yet the moves between the levels are quite quick. Look at this one over here. From VWAP down to initial balance low, back up to VWAP. VWAP, previous day's close, 1 bar. Previous day's close down to the initial balance low again, quick. Laddering on the 1 minute. Yeah, not doing much. It just goes off in fits and spurts. I just hope it's not going to fit and spurt me into another loss. Serious. Well, if this one stops me out, I think I'm done for the day. My stop will be at 44 approximately. Let's get out a small piece if I can, just to improve my price, but nope. Okay, down 114 for the day. I think everyone started the New Year party up. Okay, guys, I'm going to be closing down, so I will see you all on Thursday. All right? Yep, it's Tuesday today. I will see you all on Thursday. Thanks for showing up. Appreciate it. As I said, it's always easier to talk to people than to monologue it. And have a happy New Year.